GM everyone and welcome to the Coin Codex YouTube channel. Last year, the Terra cryptocurrency ecosystem, valued at upwards of $60 billion at one point, evaporated to basically zero within just a few days. The main reason for the crash was the hyperinflation in the supply of Luna triggered by a bank run on the ecosystem's largest algorithmic stablecoin. After the crash, the legacy chain was renamed to Terra Classic and the name of its native token changed from Luna to Luna Classic. Despite the market collapse, Terra Classic is still surprisingly popular and has one of the most active communities in the crypto world. Is it possible for Terra Classic to recover and reach $1 once again? We'll try to answer this question with our Terra Classic price prediction, but more on that a bit later. Before we take a look at the chances for Luna Classic's recovery, please leave a like and subscribe to the Coin Codex YouTube channel for regular crypto content. Let's dive in. In May 2022, Luna saw one of the most disastrous price crashes in the history of the cryptocurrency market. Trading at an all-time high of $116 in April 2022, the coin plunged by over 99.99% and was trading at just a fraction of a cent by June 2022. So, what happened? Sparing technical details, Luna was the native token in the Terra Classic ecosystem and was instrumental in maintaining the price of the Terra stablecoins, primarily the Terra USD stablecoin. Whereas most stablecoins are backed by reserves of actual fiat money and related assets such as treasury bonds, Terra took a different approach and utilized an algorithmic model in which stablecoins were pegged through algorithmic means. In essence, the Terra platform had a mechanism that allowed users to burn $1 worth of Luna to mint 1 Terra USD. On the other side of the equation, users could burn 1 Terra USD to mint $1 worth of Luna. Once Terra USD started slipping further away from its $1 peg in May 2022, new Luna coins were minted to compensate for the increased supply of the stablecoin. The mechanism was ultimately incapable of keeping the price of Terra USD afloat, and both Luna and Terra USD experienced an unprecedented collapse. Keep in mind that this was a relatively simplistic representation of events that took place last year. If you want to learn more about the reasons for the Luna price crash and the inner working of the Terra network, please check the article linked in the description. So, what are the chances that Luna Classic recovers to $1 or higher? Given the current supply, a $1 price for Luna Classic would mean that its market cap would be $5.9 trillion. Since the total crypto market cap was $3 trillion at its very peak, it's fair to say Luna Classic going to $1 is not a reasonable expectation unless its supply is reduced dramatically. And that's exactly what the community is banking on. Last year, the community passed a vote to enact the Luna Classic burn tax, which introduced a fee on all token transactions. The fee was first set at 1.2% but was later reduced to 0.2%. The burn tax enjoyed support from some of the biggest players in the crypto industry, including Binance, which had committed to carrying out Luna Classic burns on a monthly basis. However, Binance later said that it would stop burns due to an impact on its revenue, unless several proposals were passed. One of the requests was that the internal movement between Binance-owned wallets be exempt from the burn tax. In the end, all requests made by Binance were passed by the community, with each of the three proposals receiving more than 95% of the vote. Links to all proposals can be found in the description below. This means that Binance will continue burning Luna Classic and thus help in bringing the total supply of the coin down over time. For reference, the total amount of Luna Classic coins burned so far is approximately 39.6 billion, or roughly 0.6% of the total supply. This means that the pace at which coins are burned will need to increase substantially in order for the burn tax to start making a meaningful dent in the hyperinflated supply of Luna Classic. According to the Coin Codex Luna Classic price prediction, the currency could see a spike in the next month, with the token gaining over 18%. In addition, the price of Luna Classic could increase by over 300% in the next 12 months. However, even with these impressive price gains, Luna Classic would be nowhere near the $1 price target many community members are hoping for. In order for Luna Classic to capture its former all-time high market cap of $41 billion, the price of Luna Classic would have to increase by over 40x. This is not completely out of the realm of possibilities, but it's certainly unlikely, especially on a short time scale. However, anything is possible in the long term, especially when accounting for Terra Classic being surprisingly popular and having one of the most active communities in the crypto world. Do you think Luna Classic will recover to $1? Let us know in the comments below. If you are interested in finding more investment ideas, check out which crypto projects have the highest chance of succeeding in 2023. If you enjoyed this video, we'd really appreciate it if you'd leave a like and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with the most interesting trends in the cryptocurrency and blockchain space. Good luck in your crypto journey.